This is a 2007 Acura TL. This car has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a navigation system, a sunroof, an 8-speaker stereo system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, side curtain airbags, front and rear reading lights, a rear spoiler, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, privacy glass, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.